Bettye's cooking channel. Today I'm going to make some heart-shaped waffles. They are keto, low carb, but they are delicious. So keep watching. It's been raining every day for like 3 days in a row, and this is what my garden looked like this morning, and it's still raining. So yeah, it's still raining. Add 2 eggs. I'm gonna add 4 ounces of cream cheese. And I'm gonna turn the blender on. Okay. Added 4 ounces of cream cheese. Blended it up so it looks good. Now I'm gonna add my 1 cup of almond flour. Okay, this is a half a cup, so I need to add 1 more. That's 1 cup of almond flour, packet of stevia, ¼ teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract flavor. Everything is blended up. I just added 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So everything is blended. Oh, I forgot to add 2 drops of stevia. Just 1, 2. There we go. That's enough. I'm gonna take the blade out and mix it up again. So I added the stevia in there. I just prepared the pan for bacon, so I'm going to go ahead and add the bacon to this tray. I usually cook the whole pack on 350 degrees for 30 minutes. So let me just go ahead and cut it open. I got the bacon ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it in a preheated oven of 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay. making the waffles. Close it down. I just added about a tablespoon and a half of this batter. These are the heart-shaped eggs that I made. Thank you so much for watching Betty's Cooking Channel. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.